Hey Rebels, are you a creator like me or a content creator like myself and you're not sure what kind of mic to use? Well, today I'm doing a quick comparison of the Syntec shotgun mic and the Booyah shotgun mic. And I use both, but I'm gonna try to help you guys out to decide which one you would like to use, or maybe you might want to use both. So let's get into it. So first thing, this is the Syntec. Actually, this one is pretty nice. I actually like the condenser in the back with the rubber bands, with the red, and this little coil piece in the back. And then it does come with the windshield in the front, and you can remove it. It's actually removable. And then you have another sponge protector to help you with sound if you were indoors, and this is if you're outdoors. But this is for the Syntec one. It's pretty nice. I think this one is a little more expensive. I think I paid about 60 to 70 bucks for this one. And this is just plug-in only. It comes with aux that goes to the mic, and then you have a cord that comes with another 3.5 millimeter jack. And if you don't worry about this, if you don't have the aux for your phone or your other device, I recommend getting an adapter 3.5 jack to USB-C so I can use it to my phone, and it works flawlessly. I just plug it in, plug and play, easy breezy. It sounds great. I use it for a lot of my videos. Sometimes if the mic that like this one I'm using right now is dead and you don't have time to charge, these definitely come in handy for that purpose, because it's just plug and play. As long as you have charge on your phone or your camera. This also works with a DSLR or your professional video camera. So that's for the Syntec. And you also have a hot shoe right there if you want to mount it on your camera or some sort of rig. I use it on a rig. Here, this is for the Booyah. I believe I got this one in Best Buys. I think this was about like 40 bucks or so. It has a little condenser, plastic condenser in the back for vibration. Same scenario. 3.5 jack for the microphone, and another 3.5 jack output. And I got this splitter for this one. This actually goes from aux to USB and USB to USB. So if you wanted to connect your two mics together, you can, just like that. But overall, as far as quality wise, I feel like they're pretty much similar. This one's just a little bit more. The Syntec one is a little bit more expensive by 20 bucks. This one's 40 bucks. I believe this one doesn't have the internal. This one comes off, but it doesn't have the extra cushion or padding that this one has. So you have extra. This one doesn't come with the foam cover, and this one doesn't. But it's similar. I mean, you could take this one off as well. You see the difference here. Syntec, Booyah. Like I said, either one would do the job. I prefer the Syntec one just because it comes with this extra cover right here. But honestly, if you use it properly, you can definitely get some good quality sound off of it. No problem. And another thing I forgot to mention is that The Syntec actually does come with a carrying case, which is nice, a hard carrying case. And I actually use this for all my accessories and my GoPro adapters and accessories and everything, and cables, batteries, and it does the job. It's pretty. I actually like having extra little cases sometimes because it keeps everything organized. But that's for the Syntec. Again, $60. Booyah. Comes like this. No accessories, no box, but it still gives you good quality. If you're on a budget and you don't want to spend the $60, you can't go wrong with this for $40. And if you want a little bit more professional and you want to spend a little bit extra money and you like the case and all that good stuff and the extra features, I would definitely recommend the Syntec. And like I said, they're both plug and play, so you don't need any battery life or anything like that. As long as whatever you're connected to has battery life, you're all set to go. So if you guys enjoyed this and this helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll also leave the links in the bottom if you guys are interested in purchasing them. Appreciate you all, and be rebels, y'all. Peace. See you on the next.